Hello students, today through this video I am going to take up your grade 5 maths subject, and the topic is number part 2. In previous video I have done part 1, now this is same number part 2, second number part 2. What are the topics we are going to study today? Positive and negative number, multiples and factors, and mental strategy of adding, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us go for the positive and negative number. For this, let us focus on the number line. In number line, 0 is in the middle. Your number starts towards the right hand side, all are your positive number, and the number which starts towards your left side are all negative number. What does it mean? When we see this side, the number which is near to 0 is -1. That means the number which is nearest to 0 and going towards this side is becoming bigger and bigger. That means the number which is bigger in minus, that is negative number, the bigger number is smaller. The more higher negative number is the smallest. Then the number which is going towards the right hand side is naturally the smaller is smaller and the bigger is bigger number. There is the difference between the positive and negative number. We have to just think nicely about the negative number. Why? Because in negative number, smaller number is the bigger number and the bigger number is the smaller. Let us suppose, let us take some number -3, 2, 4, -5, 0, -1. Let us arrange this number smaller to greater. Smaller to greater. Now we know that negative numbers are smaller. Let us underline the negative numbers. -5, -3, -1. Now, which is the smallest? 1 or 5? Since just now I told you, in negative number, the greater number is the smallest number. So, greater number is which one? 5. So, 5 is, -5 is the smallest number. Next come -3, next -1. And remaining is what? 4, 2 and 0. So these are all positive number. In positive, the smaller number is smaller, bigger number is bigger. So which is the smallest? 0, then comes 2, then come 4. In this way, either in between two number, we can differentiate between the smaller and greater number. Suppose 4 and -5. Between these two number, which is smaller? Or put the sign, suppose question is asked, put the sign greater or smaller between these two number. So -4 blank -5. We know that -5 is smaller. So this sign will come in between here. Now let us take the same number. Let us go for addition. How are you going to add up this number and subtract this number? Suppose the question is add -4 and -5. Add -4 and -5. Which is the bigger number here? -5. Let us write -5 plus -4. -5 plus minus, then comes 4. Then minus plus, so 5 plus 4, 9. Which is greater? 5. So 5 is of what sign? Minus sign. So we have to write minus sign, negative number. Now suppose the same question, subtract. Same question, and the question is subtract. So in subtract, same way, greater number write it down, then minus, then -4. 5 minus minus plus 4. So plus minus minus 5 minus 4 1, greater number is 1. So minus 1. In this way we can add up and subtract any negative number or positive number. Let us go for the next topic, multiples and factors. What are multiples? A number which comes in multiple form, multiplication table, like 2 1s are 2, multiple of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So multiple of 2 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And what are the factors? Factors means divisibility, by which number this is divided. Suppose 20, by which number 20 is divided? 2, 2 10s are 20, 4, 4 5s are 20, 5, 5 4s are 20. So these are the difference between multiples and factors. Let us take a Venn diagram. Factors of 20 and factors of 20. Here factors of 20, or let us take factors of 30. Let us write first factors of 20. By what number this 20 is divisible? 1, 2 10s are 20, 3 not going, 4 5s are 20, then 5 4s are 20, then 10 2s are 20 and 21s are 20. Same way, let's go for factor of 30. 1 is common, 2 15s are 20, 3 10s are 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30, 31s are 30. Let us write all these numbers. But here which number, what is a Venn diagram means? Between these two, this space means what are the common number or common factors of this 20 and 30. So common factor of 20 and 30 is 1. Let us write 1. Common factor of 20 and 30 is 2 also. So let us write 2. Then 5. 5 is here. Then 10. Let us write 10. So remaining, that is 4 and 20 will come here, and 3 6 15 30, 3 6 15 30 will come here. So Venn diagram represents this, that the number which is common for both will be in the middle and the remaining will be in their own respective boxes. Now let us go for Carroll diagram, and we'll learn little more about factors and multiples. Let us divide this into 3 columns. Here we'll write, suppose multiples of 4, and here not multiples of 4. Multiples of 4, not multiples of 4. And here multiples of 2, and here not multiples of 2. Not multiples of 2. Let us assume number between 10 to 20. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. From this number between 10 to 20, what are the number which is multiple of 4 and multiple of 2? Number multiple of 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 2 6s are 12. Matching. Then 4 4s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. Both are matching. 4 5s are 20 and 2 10s are 20. This is also coming here. Now multiple of 4 but not multiple of 2. Here all these numbers are multiples of 2, but here telling not multiples of 2, but is multiple of 4. 4 3s are 12, but 12 is multiple of 2. 16 also, 20 also. So this number we cannot find any number. Now let us go for not multiple of 4. but it should be a multiple of 2, not multiple of 4, but it's multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 is 12 is there, but not multiple of 4. 12 is multiple of 4, yes, 4 3s are 12, but here not multiple telling, so here you have to see 10. 10 is a multiple of 2, but not multiple of 4. Now, which number? 2 7s are 14, but and 4 table, 14 is not there. So in this way, this Carroll diagram, you have to think and you have to fill it up by yourself. You have to practice. It needs a practice and you can do it. Now let us go for the last topic, that is mental strategy for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us go for, just take one example for addition. Let us take one number. Suppose 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 added to 1997. Suppose 1997. Now what we are going to do? Let us do formally how is to add 3, 4, 5, 6, 1997. When we add up, what will be the answer? 7 plus 6 is 13, 3 in one hand, 1 plus 5, 6, plus 9, 15, 5 in one hand, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14, 4 in one hand, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. This is the number. Now, to add up, not in this way, in mental strategy, means dimag mein, with your mental. So what we'll do? Which is nearest to thousands? So 9997, this is nearest to 1000. So you turn this number into nearest to 1000. That is 1997 will be nearest to what number? It will be 2000. But how many bigger number? We are writing here. We are writing 3 more number. So we have to subtract this number from this number. So in order to add this number, it's become very easy. This 3 number we don't have to see. You just add this 2 with this 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 goes in the same column, but add this 2. 2 plus 3, 5. That is 5, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 5, 6 minus this 3. Single digit, 6 minus 3 comes here 3, and this 5 and 4 and 5. You see this number and this number is same or not. It becomes easy to do with mental strategy in this way, and when we do, we have to take, we have to give, we have to write, it take time, and this one in easy way we can finish it up. Now let us go for another number for subtraction. Let us take one number 427 plus 199. Here also same way we can do as we have done, that is 427 plus 200 minus 1. Same way you can do 2 add up here, that is 627 minus 1, it becomes 626. See, it becomes so easy. 427, 200, how many more? 1, so 1 will subtract later on after adding up. We add up this number, 427, 200, so 2 plus 4, 6, 27 is here, minus 1 from, subtracted from here, it becomes 626. Now let us go for multiplication. Let us do multiplication also in the same way. Suppose one example is 15 into 7. 15 into 7, how many? Let us multiply. Let us go for normally how is to do 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35, in and 3, 7 on the 7 plus 3, 10. It takes little time. Now here 15 plus 7. So 15 means 10 plus 5, 15 divided. So 10 into what number? 7. 10 7s are 17. 5 remaining here. 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. So since we are adding, so 10 plus 5, 15 into 7, it becomes, when we add here, 105. It's coming same. Or 15, if you don't want to take, we can do it same thing in another way, that is subtraction. That is 15, let us write 20 into 7. So 20 into 7, how many? 140. How many more we are taking here? 5 more. Minus 5, 5 into 7, that is 35. Do subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5. 3, 3, 0, 1. And here 20 minus 5 is 15 into 7 is equal to 105. Same. Either you do in this way or either you do in this way. Either additions or either subtraction. The answer will be same. So kindly practice it. Is need a practice at home. Practice more to become perfect. With this I conclude here. Thank you and stay home. Stay safe at home.